Guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Daddy Ron again, and this is Thea, and this is Asha. Say hi. We are doing our routine vlog today, and my wife is driving, mom is driving. Uy! Hindi kami mabanggo, guys. Caught on camera. Yung kinain ngayon. Inuubos niyo ba yung baon mo? No. How about you? Lapit na din. Ano kinain mo? Apple? Grapes?
Lapit. Ang sarap ng
Wala apple, grapes and orange lang. Ano pa? Bread? Biscuit? Wow.
si Olaf kinain nyo.
How about apple? Ay, Yakult. Ano pa? Ano pa kinain niyo? Ano pa baon niyo ng cheese? Ano pa kinain niyo? Binigyan kayo ng teacher ng fruits? Anong fruits? So apple and oranges lagi ang binibigay. Apples and oranges. Did you say, Tasha, ano sabi mo?
Way back, what is that English out? Diba the Tagalog? Diba the English out? Out you sabi Tagalog.
Nagkasalita kami ng Tagalog here in Australia.
Yes, diba the pang English?
Supposed to be dapat English?
Yes.
Kasi we need to teach you how to speak Tagalog. Kailangan matuto ka mag-Tagalog para pag uwi ka ng Philippines, alam mo salita Philippines. Pero dito sa Australia, English na salita natin. Di ba nag-i-speak din tayo ng English? Diba? Say thank you, how are you, how old are you, diba? Answer mo ngayon, how are you?
How are you?
No, answer mo. Ikaw answer.
How are you?
No, how are you? I'm asking you. Sagot mo.
Are you okay?
You're okay. How old are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4. How about you? What's your name? And what is your last name? That's your full name. Your last name is Gaspar. You see? That's English. Sometimes, salita tayo Tagalog dito sa house para matuto kayo how to speak Tagalog. Diba? Alam mo na ngayon, you understand na. Hindi pa rin. Sa school ba, anong sinasabi mo? English o Tagalog? Yeah, Tagalog mo.
Tagalog and English.
Tinatagalog mo si teacher. Buti naiintindihan ni teacher. Ikaw, Tagalog sinasabi mo kay teacher o English? Paano mo kausapin si teacher? Tagalog. Puro smile. Ito puro kagat. Gutom ka na? Ay, hangin din. Ano nga, paano mo kayo nakausap si teacher? English?
Like her.
Ha? Like her? English. English mo pinakausap si teacher. Okay.
Like her lang.
Like her lang. Ginagaya mo lang siya? Don't gaya. You should always have your own. Like, English, kausap mo si teacher. Nga ano naiintindihan ni teacher yung Tagalog?
Alam pa din.
Alam pa rin niya. Okay.